Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Last week, we completed a detailed analysis of the fortunes for all 12 Chinese zodiac signs in 2025. In today's video, I will teach you how to use your own home, combined with the astrology chart for 2025 and your own zodiac attributes, to transform negative energy fields and increase positive energy by using specific directions and small objects. This will help boost your luck in 2025. If you don't own your own house or rent an entire unit, but instead share a space with others, you can apply these tips to your own room. If you live in a shared dormitory or a large shared office, then you can arrange your lucky items based on your desk. Now, let's take a look at the 2025 flying star chart. Center. Let's first focus on the center. This year, the number 2 black star Juman Din flies into this area. It represents illness and injury, primarily affecting personal health, minor ailments, and emotional well-being. However, if you experience illness in 2025, the condition may be slightly more serious than usual, so this is a position worth paying attention to. Southeast. Next, let's look at the southeast, which is located at the top left of the chart. In 2025, the number 1 white star Tanlang Din will occupy this position. This direction enhances romantic luck and social relationships, benefiting both your personal life and career, as well as helping you gain recognition and reputation. The number 1 star also represents wisdom, which aids thinking, creativity, and improves analytical and judgment abilities. Moving to the south, at the top center of the chart, we have the number 6 white star Wu Q Din in 2025. This represents the wealth sector, specifically the area for secondary income, such as through side businesses or investments. However, the effect of this star will vary depending on the overall environment of the house and the specific position. Southwest. In the southwest, located at the top right of the chart, the number 8 white star Zhuo Fu Din will enter. This is the wealth sector for 2025, particularly for regular wealth, meaning income generated from your main career, as well as income from buying and selling real estate or property projects. West. Finally, let's move to the west. The number for green star Wenk Din flies into this area in 2025, making it the Wenchang position. This is beneficial for enhancing academic success, career achievements, and personal development. Proper placement of items in this area will support your studies, professional advancements, and overall success. East. Now, let's move to the east, which is located on the left side of the chart. In 2025, the number 9 purple star Yubi Din will enter the east. This is a very favorable position for romantic relationships, particularly for couples and marriages. It also brings happiness and a sense of accomplishment to the family. Proper arrangement in this area will enhance both love and family harmony. Northeast. In the northeast, located at the bottom left of the chart, the number 5 yellow star Lianjin Din will fly into this position in 2025. This is a star of misfortune that brings negative energy, much like an unexpected storm that completely alters the course of your family and life. When the number 5 yellow star enters, it's important to adopt a more passive approach. Avoid taking aggressive actions and focus on calming energies to counteract the disruptive influence. North. Moving to the north, located at the bottom center of the chart, the number 7 red star Pojin Din will fly into the north. This can lead to many issues arising unexpectedly in daily life, such as accidentally breaking rules or regulations, which may result in lawsuits. Therefore, the north is not a good location for an office or a resting space in 2025. It's best to avoid using this area, as it could bring unnecessary conflicts and legal trouble. Northwest, in 2025. The number 3 green blue star Lukandin will occupy the northwest. This area will be prone to disputes and misunderstandings, especially if you live or work in the northwest sector of your home or office. It could lead to interpersonal conflicts or even situations where you are targeted by others, affecting the harmony of both work and family life. That concludes the influence of the 2025 flying stars on different directions. Now, let's get to the main part of today's video, which is how each zodiac sign can use these directions to eliminate negative energy and enhance positive energy. Just a quick note: if you're placing objects on a small desk or in a small room, you can use smaller items like small bottles. Let's start with the rat zodiac. In 2025, your benefactor luck will be incredibly strong, and your career fortune will be very smooth. However, one thing you need to be cautious about is that some of your plans or projects may encounter unexpected changes toward the end. There are 2 key things to pay attention to this year. First, avoid failure at the last moment. This year, the risk is that you may have everything almost ready, but at the last moment, everything might fall apart. Therefore, focus on the north direction, where the Trojan star resides. You should place a cup of water or a small bowl of salt in this area, ideally using sea salt. If this is on your desk, you can use a small bottle or a small cup. This will help dissolve obstacles, conflicts, and any potential misfortunes you may face. Second, boost your wealth sector. You need to activate your regular wealth position. To do this, find 8 small brown stones and place them in a glass of water. Then, position this in the southwest direction. This arrangement will help improve both your career and financial prospects. Next, let's talk about the friends born in the year of the ox. For ox natives, it's best to focus on 3 directions for layout in 2025. 2 of these directions are particularly important because they are related to health and illness. The first is the northeast, and the second is the center of the home. In these areas, it's recommended to hang or place 5 emperor coins. If you can't find the 5 emperor coins, 5 copper coins will also work. Alternatively, you can place a small copper gourd or any regular gourd. This will help suppress the negative energy related to illness and boost your health. If you can, placing a metal cross will also be beneficial. A metal cross is especially effective. Additionally, for your regular wealth sector, ox natives should place 8 small brown stones in a glass of water and place it in the southwest area. This can help boost your career prospects and attract noble people into your life. Now, for the friends born in the year of the tiger. Tiger natives will have the support of benefactors and good fortune in 2025. Your luck is generally very good, but you should be cautious of gossip and verbal disputes causing harm. For your layout, you should focus on the key directions. First, north. In the north, place a cup of water. Remember to change the water every 2 days to keep the energy fresh and prevent any negative influences from accumulating. Second, northwest. In the northwest, it's recommended to place purple objects or purple decorations. Alternatively, you can place a small bowl of sea salt to help dissolve gossip and rumors and protect against conflicts. Moving on to the friends born in the year of the rabbit. For rabbit natives in 2025, it's best to avoid major changes and focus on avoiding conflicts and taking care of the health of your elders. You should prioritize areas for layout. First, southwest wealth sector. In the southwest, the regular wealth sector, place a cup of water with 8 small brown stones. This can effectively boost your career fortune. Second, northwest. In the northwest, place purple items or decorations. Alternatively, you can place a small bowl of sea salt to help dissolve disputes and rumors. Next, let's talk about the friends born in the year of the dragon. For dragon natives, 2025 will be a very favorable year with good career prospects and support from benefactors. To make the most of this positive energy, focus on 3 directions for layout. First, South wealth sector. In the south, which represents your horizontal wealth, place 6 small white stones in a cup of water. This can enhance your luck in investments, side businesses, or even unexpected windfalls. Second, northeast and center health and illness. Be particularly careful with the northeast and center sectors, as these are associated with illness and health issues. In both of these areas, it's best to place or hang 5 emperor coins. If you can't find the coins, you can use 5 copper coins or place a copper gourd. A metal cross is also a good option to help suppress negative health-related energy and boost your overall well-being. Now, let's move on to the friends born in the year of the snake. For snake natives, much like the ox, it's best to focus on 3 directions in 2025, especially because 2 of these directions are related to health and illness. The first is the northeast, and the second is the center. In these areas, it's recommended to hang or place 5 emperor coins. If you can't find a 5 emperor coins, 5 copper coins or a small copper gourd will work. These items help suppress the negative energy associated with illness and improve your health. You can also use a metal cross, which is especially beneficial in this case. Additionally, for your regular wealth sector, place 8 small brown stones in a glass of water and position it in the southwest area. This layout will help improve your career luck and attract supportive people into your life, boosting your opportunities. Next up, let's talk about the friends born in the year of the horse. Horse natives, it's time to act quickly. The first thing you need to do is focus on the south direction, which represents your horizontal wealth sector. In this area, place 6 small white stones in a cup of water. This can help boost your luck in investments, side businesses, or even unexpected windfalls. The second important layout is for the northwest. In this sector, place purple objects such as decor or artwork, or a small bowl of sea salt. This can help dissolve disputes, gossip, and rumors, and transform negative energy. Now, for the friends born in the year of the goat sheep. Goat natives, your first focus should be on the northwest direction. In this area, place purple objects, artwork, or decorations. You can also use a small bowl of sea salt to help dissolve any rumors or negative energy targeting you. This will suppress conflicts and protect you from bad energy. The second key area is the southeast, which represents your peach blossom position. Here, place a cup of water with 11 small black stones. This can effectively enhance your romantic prospects, improve your relationships, and increase your luck with benefactors. For the friends born in the year of the monkey. Monkey natives, just like the goats, you should first focus on the northwest direction. Place purple objects, artwork, or decorations in this area. Alternatively, a small bowl of sea salt. This will help dissolve negative energy and resolve conflicts or gossip directed at you. The second area to focus on is the southeast, the peach blossom sector. Here, place a cup of water with 11 small black stones. This will activate your romantic luck, enhance interpersonal relationships, and attract supportive people into your life. Now, let's move to the friends born in the year of the rooster. Rooster natives, the first area to focus on is the south direction, which represents your horizontal wealth sector. Here, place 6 small white stones in a cup of water. This can help enhance your luck in investments, side businesses, or unexpected financial gains. You should also pay special attention to the northeast and center, which represent health and illness. In these areas, it's best to hang or place 5 emperor coins. If you can't find a 5 emperor coins, 5 copper coins will also work. Alternatively, You can place a copper gourd or any regular gourd in these areas. This will suppress negative health energy and improve your overall health fortune. Next up, let's talk about the friends born in the year of the dog. Dog natives, first, you need to focus on your regular wealth sector. Place 8 small brown stones in a cup of water and position it in the southwest. This will help boost your career and attract helpful people into your life. The second layout is for the southeast. The peach blossom position. Here, place a cup of water with 11 small black stones. This can enhance your romantic luck, improve your relationships, and attract benefactors. Finally, let's talk about the friends born in the year of the pig. Pig natives in 2025. Your first task is to focus on your regular wealth sector. Place 8 small brown stones in a cup of water and position it in the southwest. This will help enhance your career luck and attract benefactors into your life. The second area you need to focus on is the north, which is where the Pojun star breakthrough star is located. In this direction, place a cup of water or a small bowl of salt, preferably sea salt. If you're using a desk, a small bottle or cup will work. This will help dissolve obstacles, conflicts, and prevent unexpected incidents or accidents. The third layout for the peach blossom sector is in the southeast. Place a cup of water with 11 small black stones in this area. This will enhance your romantic prospects, improve your relationships, and attract supportive people into your life. And that's all the feng shui tips for the 12 zodiac signs in 2025. Now, you can start collecting the materials you need and begin setting up your space. The best time to arrange everything is on February 4th, 2025. So make sure you don't do it too early. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope these tips will help you make the most of your luck in 2025. See you next time.